Ozempic weight loss. Warning, do not overdo it. Weight loss is a constant pursuit for many, and it's no wonder that people often seek quick and effective solutions. One of the approaches that has gained significant attention in recent years is the Ozempic weight loss program. This method has been marketed as a revolutionary way to shed pounds rapidly. However, with its increasing popularity, concerns have arisen about the potential dangers of overdoing it. In this video, we will explore the Ozempic weight loss program, its effectiveness, and why it's crucial not to push it to extremes. The Ozempic weight loss program. The Ozempic weight loss program is named after Dr. Olivia Z. Emick, a physician who developed a unique approach to weight management. This program centers on the use of specialized meal plans, dietary supplements, and a comprehensive exercise regimen. Its core premise is to manipulate the body's metabolism and hormonal balance to promote rapid fat loss. While this might sound appealing, it's essential to understand the science behind it and the potential risks associated with overdoing it. The science behind Ozempic weight loss. At the heart of the Ozempic weight loss program is the concept of manipulating the body's metabolic rate. Metabolism is the set of chemical reactions that occur within the body to sustain life, and it plays a significant role in determining how many calories you burn. Dr. Emick's program aims to increase the metabolic rate significantly, allowing the body to burn more calories at rest and during physical activities. To achieve this, the program incorporates a carefully structured meal plan that is low in calories but high in nutrients. It encourages the consumption of whole foods, lean proteins, and an abundance of vegetables. This caloric restriction, combined with nutrient-dense foods, is thought to create an energy deficit, prompting the body to burn stored fat for fuel. Moreover, the Ozempic weight loss program includes dietary supplements that claim to enhance the metabolic rate and support weight loss. Some of these supplements include green tea extract, caffeine, and thermogenic compounds. These supplements are designed to rev up the body's calorie-burning furnace. The program also emphasizes the importance of regular exercise. Dr. Emick suggests a combination of aerobic and strength training exercises to maximize fat loss and lean muscle preservation. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. The dangers of overdoing it. While the Ozempic weight loss program may sound like a promising solution, it's essential to approach it with caution and not overdo it. Here are some potential risks associated with pushing the program to extremes. 1. Nutritional deficiencies. Drastic caloric restriction can lead to nutritional deficiencies. Overdoing the program by slashing calories too aggressively may deprive the body of essential vitamins and minerals. This can result in health issues like fatigue, hair loss, and immune system dysfunction. 2. Metabolic slowdown. Paradoxically, over-restricting calories for extended periods can slow down the metabolism rather than speed it up. When the body senses prolonged energy scarcity, it adapts by conserving energy and reducing calorie expenditure. This can make further weight loss increasingly challenging. 3. Muscle loss. Overzealousness in pursuing weight loss can lead to the loss of lean muscle mass. Muscle tissue is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and overall strength. Losing muscle may reduce the body's calorie-burning capacity and negatively impact long-term weight management. 4. Hormonal imbalance. Extreme caloric restriction can disrupt hormonal balance, particularly in women. It may lead to irregular menstrual cycles or amenorrhea, the absence of menstruation, which can have serious health implications. 5. Psychological strain. Overemphasis on rapid weight loss can lead to an unhealthy relationship with food and body image. It can foster feelings of guilt and anxiety around eating and exercise, ultimately negatively affecting mental health. Real-life examples. To illustrate the dangers of overdoing the Ozempic weight loss program, consider the following real-life examples. 1. Case study. Rachel's nutrient deficiency Rachel was committed to the Ozempic weight loss program and followed a very low-calorie diet for an extended period. She lost weight rapidly but began experiencing fatigue and hair loss. After consulting a physician, she discovered she had developed a severe iron deficiency, highlighting the risks of extreme caloric restriction. 2. Case study. Mark's metabolic slowdown Mark was determined to shed pounds quickly and followed the Ozempic program rigorously. While he initially lost weight, his progress stalled. His metabolic rate had slowed down significantly due to long-term caloric restriction, making further weight loss exceedingly difficult. 3. Case study. Sarah's hormonal imbalance ***. Sarah embraced the Ozempic program but took it to an extreme by combining it with excessive exercise. She experienced a disruption in her menstrual cycle and was eventually diagnosed with amenorrhea. This hormonal imbalance had detrimental effects on her overall health and well-being. Conclusion: while the Ozempic weight loss program may offer an effective approach to weight management when used responsibly, it's crucial not to overdo it. Pushing the program to extremes can lead to nutritional deficiencies, metabolic slowdown, muscle loss, hormonal imbalances, psychological strain, and inadequate recovery. It's essential to approach any weight loss program with caution, prioritize long-term health, and consult with a healthcare professional for guidance and support. Remember that sustainable weight loss should be achieved through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy mindset rather than extreme measures. If you found this video helpful and informative, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could benefit from it. And of course, make sure to subscribe to Pharmacist Online and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and until next time, here's to a healthier, happier you.